Are your cabling and wireless services holding you back? In today's fast-paced world, reliable connectivity is the backbone of every successful business and every home. At Evening Computing, we are teamed with a family-run business with over 50 years' work experience in the cabling trades that specialises in providing cabling for telephone systems, structured cabling in London, Essex, Hertfordshire, or anywhere else in the UK. Whether you need commercial and domestic work, all work is tested, certified and guaranteed. We do Construction Skills Certification Scheme or CSCS cabling. We provide networking cabling, Wi-Fi points, fibre optic cabling, telephone wiring, shielded structured cabling, existing cabling tidied, rerouted or extended. We also fit projectors and smart boards in meeting rooms and classrooms. Ready to take your business connectivity to the next level? Contact Evening Computing today and experience the difference. Visit us online to learn more.